Volleyball thrives in the heart of nature. Imagine the sun on your skin, sand between your toes, and the sound of waves as you dive for a save. Beach volleyball captures pure joy, connecting players to the elements. Indoors, the energy is electric, competition at its peak. But volleyball is about more than the setting. It's about the people. Teamwork is at the core of every bump, set, and spike. Volleyball welcomes everyone, creating friendships and memories that last. Volleyball began in 1895 at the YMCA Gymnasium in Holyoke, Massachusetts. William G. Morgan, a YMCA physical director, created it as a gentler alternative to basketball. Originally called mintonette, the game quickly evolved as players volleyed a ball over a net. In 1896, it was renamed volleyball, highlighting its core principle. The sport spread worldwide, with innovations like the spike in the Philippines. Volleyball made its Olympic debut in 1964, cementing its global status. Today, volleyball thrives, uniting millions with its energy and excitement. Volleyball, at its core, is a game of strategy and teamwork. Two teams, each with 6 players on the court at a time, battle it out on a rectangular court divided by a net. The objective is pretty simple: ground the ball on the opponent's court while preventing them from doing the same to you. Each team gets 3 touches to return the ball over the net. A point is scored when the ball touches the ground within the court boundaries, goes out of bounds after being touched by the opposing team, or if a team commits a fault. The first team to reach 25 points, with a 2-point lead, wins the set. Matches are typically best of 5 sets. Volleyball is unique in its use of a rotational system. Players rotate one position clockwise after each side-out, making sure everyone gets involved in all aspects of the game. This constant movement adds a layer of complexity and really requires players to be adaptable and well-rounded. Key rules govern the game, ensuring fairness and sportsmanship. Players cannot catch or hold the ball. It must be volleyed. Touching the net during play is a fault, as is stepping over the center line. These rules create a dynamic and fast-paced game that demands quick reflexes and strategic thinking. Volleyball is like a symphony of skills, each movement just flowing seamlessly into the next. Mastering these skills is totally key to success on the court. The serve kicks off the rally, and honestly, it sets the tone for the whole point. A powerful jump serve can be a real weapon, while a well-placed floater keeps your opponents guessing. The pass, which is usually the very first contact, is super crucial for setting up the attack. A good pass, most often done with a forearm platform, gives the setter a stable platform to orchestrate the play. The set is the second touch, and it's such a precise and delicate move that sets up the spike. The setter uses their fingertips to deliver the ball at just the perfect height and spot for the attacker. The spike is, hands down, the most exhilarating skill in volleyball. A powerful overhead hit that sends the ball flying toward the opponent's court. Timing and technique are everything for a successful spike, and it takes a powerful jump and a strong arm swing. Blocking is a defensive move at the net, aiming to deflect the opponent's attack. 3 players line up at the net, jumping together to form this, super formidable wall, trying to send the ball right back into the opponent's court. Volleyball is honestly full of exciting twists and turns, with unique rules that add layers of strategy and unpredictability. One such rule is the double contact exception. While players are generally not allowed to make consecutive contacts with the ball, there's actually an exception for the first contact on a hard-driven spike. This makes for more dynamic rallies and some seriously spectacular saves. Another intriguing rule involves the ceiling. Unlike other indoor sports where hitting the ceiling means the play stops, in volleyball the rally keeps going as long as the ball comes back to the playing area. This rule often leads to, unpredictable bounces, and it really forces players to be quick on their feet and super adaptable. One of the most distinctive things about volleyball is the role of the Libero. This specialized defensive player wears a contrasting jersey and can enter and exit the court freely, replacing a back row player. The libero's main job is to strengthen the defense, really specializing in digging and passing. They aren't allowed to attack the ball from above the net, which just highlights their focus on defensive skills. Volleyball truly transcends borders and cultures, uniting people from all walks of life. From the sun-drenched beaches of Rio de Janeiro to the bustling streets of Tokyo, volleyball's appeal honestly knows no bounds. Its accessibility makes it a global sport, enjoyed by people of all ages, genders, and backgrounds. Seriously, walk down any street in Italy, and you're probably going to see groups of friends getting into an animated game of volleyball. In Brazil, beach volleyball is almost a national pastime, with legendary players inspiring new generations. The sport's global reach is a real testament to its power to connect people, creating a sense of community and shared passion. Volleyball's impact goes way beyond the court. It teaches super valuable life lessons, like teamwork, discipline, and resilience. The sport's focus on communication and collaboration totally translates into everyday life, helping people build social skills and lasting friendships. Whether played competitively or just for fun, volleyball has the power to, transform lives and bring communities together. Volleyball is so much more than just a sport. It's an experience, a community, and honestly, a way of life. It's a game that welcomes everyone, no matter your skill level, athletic ability, or background. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a total beginner, there's always a place for you on the volleyball court. The beauty of volleyball is in its simplicity. The rules are easy to learn, and the basic skills can be picked up pretty quickly. But don't be fooled. Volleyball is a sport with real depth and complexity. As you get more into it, you'll uncover a whole world of strategy, teamwork, and athleticism. So what are you waiting for? Grab a ball, gather your friends, and find a court. Experience the joy of the game, the thrill of competition, and the awesome camaraderie of teamwork. Volleyball is just waiting to be unleashed, and hey, the court is totally calling your name.